right, we're on. Good evening, ladies and gents. Hey, Mercury, what's up, baby? Good evening. How's everybody doing? Ooh. I'm gonna need more water. I need my Stanley Cup full. I need it full. Let's get this posted. CR's here. What's up, baby? Good evening. Just got off work getting prepared for the other work week. Yes, sir. You know it. Gonna be interesting this week. It's gonna be interesting. We got, really no earnings. Obviously, market's closed for Christmas. What days are we closed? Just Wednesday, right? We're not closed on like Christmas Eve. No, because we have data coming out. We have like new home sales and shit, so. I still think we have a great week of trading though, in terms of price action. Even though we obviously have like one day that's cut out. Santa rally coming in. Dude, either way, I'm down. Either way. A Grinchmas or a Santa rally, I'm down for whatever. I mean, either way, we should see decent movement with VIX, where it's been. It is back under 20 though, but it's better at 18 than 13, so I'd rather have that. Kind of. I mean, they're the same as Friday because I haven't done any trading since then. But the leader account is a total P&L of $1,300, and then the follower account is $613. So I got some more work to do in the second one. I'll pass the first one first. The leader. I have a really good win rate on this one right now. Just because all the trades that have been taken have been like, I've been very picky. So I've done decent with it. 90% at the moment, but that'll change. We'll take some more losses. But yeah. Going good there. Want to get those two done. I didn't really do anything necessarily too fun. I mean, went out, had some dinner. Hit the gym a lot. Other than that, not really. Golfed a little bit. Not much. Chill weekend. Well, what do we got for the week, huh? Spy. I don't know, are things turning around? Nothing about that weekly is too nasty yet. Monthly looks fine, to be honest. Well, I think Santa Rally or not, did we do it on Qs? We've opened and closed under NFP low multiple times. I anticipate inevitably like we will end up at July NFP high. And then SPY at November NFP high. But we'll see. It's not gonna happen in one day, although it got fairly close in one day. I mean, what is that? More than halfway. I don't know about more. Maybe a little bit more. On SPY at least. Maybe not on QQQ, but on SPY. I mean, that's just wild. When I was thinking we're going to end up going to NFP high, which we're not there yet, of course, but I definitely didn't think we were going to fall that quick that fast. Shit's crazy. Tesla rocket coming. I'd love to see it. I haven't sold any shares. I need to put more money in my long term, though. Because if I don't want to sell any shares, that means I need more money in there to diversify. But I also don't really want to buy anything right now. Oh, by the way, I think I'm going to get Justin on a Spaces. Justin Werling. I hit him up on the DMs on Twitter. And he hit me back. So he said he's down to hop on a space. So I'm trying to figure out some of the details and like how we want to do it. Whether or not he wants to just hop on kind of whether or not he wants to hop on like the daily spaces or like I kind of want to do a separate space, to be honest, but I have no idea. I haven't even like got it all finalized yet, so I haven't talked to anybody about it. Don't really like I anticipate we do a separate space. Like after market hours or something. It'd be very cool though. Love to talk to him. Plus, yeah. Ladies and gents, what are we looking at for the week? Obviously, I'm not really doing too much with options, but I mean, I'm keeping my eye on some of my favorite companies, Tesla. Nothing about this dip scares me, I'll tell you that. Well, what are we down from the highs? 14.5% from the highs. Not bad. Especially considering how much we ripped. Again, like, I was happy we hit 400. I was even happier I was even happier that we made all-time highs. And then we just basically almost pushed it to 500. So, I mean, at this point, it's like, okay, I love that, but at the same time, the faster we just go like that, the more and more you got to be okay with like a decent sized dip to retest, because we're going to have to do what? Retest those previous all-time highs at some point, which looks like we almost did. So that's what I would be watching for on Tesla. Retest previous all-time highs, see how we trade around that area, see how price action is, and kind of just go from there. And then we can use NFP levels to our benefit, of course. Jordy, want to take some options plays before end of year? Not really. honestly. Not really. I'm good. And it'll probably be a slow start to the new year as well. But as soon as things set in a little bit, we'll get things going. We'll get things going again. Just all depends what's happening with the markets, like the environment and everything. But this is our last. Or no, we have 2 days in 2024 next week. Like, not this coming up week, but the week after. We have 2 days, the 30th and the 31st. Is the market even? Yeah. Wait. Is the market open New Year's Eve? I don't even fucking know. Or New Year's Day? I honestly don't remember. I really don't. If you want to add oil, this would be the time. Not sure it's... I think New Year's is closed. I think so too. I didn't see your comment about oil. Yeah, maybe. It's just... Ugh. Dude, like... This is ridiculous. This right here? I mean, lordy. This is 104 days within just this range. That's just that range, not to mention. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Like, this is so gross. I just can't like anything about oil, personally. Until, like... I mean, not to say, like, you can't, you know, if you're willing to funnel a little bit of extra cash in there and, like, you know, play it that way, whatever. But I could not do anything with conviction. I mean, oh my god. It's actually ridiculous, bro. Yeah, honestly, that's your best bet with capturing oil moves, is trading XOM. Oxy sucks, in my opinion. All of them suck except Ox. I mean, except XOM, I think. I think XOM is, like, your best bet for trading oil, especially because you get to play options. I mean, this is just ridiculous, dude. Absolutely ridiculous. How's Coinbase, man? We got a little beat up. Question is, are we going to continue this downside move, or was this accumulation, manipulation, and now we're about to rip? We'll see. I don't know. I do not know. Yo, Jordan, I have a question. Why is NFP such a key level in your view? Well, long story short, NFP is just... It's a massive data point that comes out every month. We get it. And off of that data point, we get a high volatile move, as I'm sure you've seen multiple times in the market. Whenever that data comes out at 8:30 Eastern in the morning, you'll know the market moves pretty erratically off of it. And so what we do is we mark the high and the low of whatever the NFP data made, which is the high and the low of the day, basically. Generally, it'll make a low in pre-market and then a high and maybe rip all day, and then the high of the day is NFP high, or vice versa. We'll get a pop and then fade all day, and that's NFP high, and then the low a day is NFP low. And long story short, I mean, you can care about the data itself or whatever. I don't give a shit about the data itself. Like, whatever the data, like, I know it can be very important. You can definitely use it, but I don't give a shit about the data itself. It's all about the levels it provides and just the accuracy. They're just very accurate. And how do I know this? I mean, I've traded with them for a while now. I mean, not too long, but I've traded with them for a decent amount of time. And Paper Gains, as you know, has used them for a while and has built a whole system around them. And I've caught beautiful trades with them. I've used the system multiple times. And just look on your chart. You know what I mean? Literally go on SPY, go on QQQ, and just go see how we react around these levels on intraday and daily level in daily areas. I mean, the proof is in the pudding right there. You know what I mean? Like they're very accurate. So that's where I think they're definitely worth marking on your level. Now, you know, just having those levels, is that gonna like make you necessarily a better trader? I mean, no. Right? You gotta be able to trade off of them, of course, but it's nice to know where these levels are because you'll see the market have, I mean, very much respect these areas. So that's that's my answer there. I have an indicator, but I don't know if it's public yet. It's Paper Gains indicator that he's making with Lux Algo. I don't know if it's public, but if it is, you can go to the Lux Algo website and check. I don't know if it is though, to be completely honest with you. If not, I mean, you do what we've done for a while and just you manually mark the levels, right? Which obviously I know can suck, but once you start marking them and you mark them over and over and you just save them, then you have them. But I mean, that indicator should be, if it's not already out, it should be coming fairly soon. I mean, they've been working on it for a hot minute. I would anticipate it's done or close to it. Market's quiet right now. Well, we had a little gap up. Little gap up. I'm absolutely not trading anything. If anybody was wondering, it's not gonna happen. I don't even know if I'll trade anything tomorrow, but we'll see. Is it too cold to like do anything, CR? Shit, it's getting cold out there, huh? That's wild. That's actually wild. Yes, sir, Aaron. I'm so ready to get out of this fucking chair, dude. So ready to get a different chair. I cannot wait. Oh my god. Give me some snow. Oh. God, we haven't even seen a hint of snow on our mountains. Usually, I mean, the mountains, the Topa Topa mountains, they're full of snow. Only because they're far away, but you can see them from Ojai. Nothing this year. Absolutely nothing. It's just not cold enough. And no rain. Yo, AdFresh, happy Sunday. What's good? CR is running off different time. Ooh, I almost want to make a little bit of bacon as a snack for the stream. But I might do it after the stream, to be honest. I might do that after. Yeah, besides like CR just this weekend, like gym stuff, and went out for dinner, like I just been back testing over and over and over. I've been back testing like I'm in a whatchamacallit, like because I know I'm gonna start trading the after I pass these other two evals, I'm gonna get 2 of the 150Ks. So I'm basically trading like I would with those. Same risk to reward. Same exact thing as 5 contracts on a 50K account. Just bumped up to match for the risk on the 150K. Because I think what's the loss limit? Like 4,500 or something. So I've been playing like I'm like in that as well. That's been doing well. Is market half day Christmas Eve? Probably. Market's probably closed at 10 my time, like 1 p.m. Eastern. CR. I can do that whenever I want though. I mean, so I can also backtest whenever I want, but like in my head I'm like, just like get better and better. Or like back shots. You know? Sometimes back shots takes it, for sure. Sometimes like back shots is the one, but like lately it's definitely been back testing. No, Aaron. No. Back testing in FX replay. Like trading. God damn it. You motherfuckers. I'm dead, dude. That's funny. I'm gonna get all stony baloneyed for this conversation then. Dude, yeah, what would that even mean, back testing? What would that even mean? In that reference. That's wild. Oh. Yeah, how many where's the stats on this? So total I've taken 6 trades. Out of those 6 trades, we've yielded that. I think 5 of them have been winners, 1 loss so far. So decent win rate. That's how that's been going. I don't know how many days I've gone through. I've probably gone through, or actually it tells me. It tells me. Yeah, so I've ran since April 4th to April 19th, basically. So like a week and a half, 2 weeks of trading, essentially 6 trades. That's on that. That's playing with, like I'm doing the 150Ks, which I've also been back testing just normally on like 5 contracts. But I've also done that for like a long time, and I trade that every day, so I don't mind bumping it up because it's the same thing. It's all same risk to reward, so I don't mind doing that. And like when I do start trading those accounts, it might seem like, oh my god, like five contracts, and then you're trading 15 contracts. It's like that's a big jump, and it's like seems like it, but when you look at it from a risk to reward perspective and your loss limit and how much you're actually risking, it's the exact same thing. As trading 5 in a 50K. So that's I'm just gonna roll with that, and then we'll get to the point, like once we get funded with those and get consistent with those as well, we'll get to the point where we can earn the right to trade NQ. But it's not even worth it for me. Like definitely not at this point. Like I want to be able to scale out, and you just can't do that. Like 2 contracts ain't enough. want to be able to scale. Dude, that's crazy, CR. They're never strong enough. That's what I've learned. So I'll probably end up linking like all the 50Ks together. Maybe not initially. I'll probably start out trading one at a time just to start. But yeah. Yes, eventually. I'll just tie the 350Ks together, the 250Ks together, and go. And then it'll be like, whichever day of the week it is, I can be like, oh, I want to trade the 350Ks or the 250Ks, and I can just make that decision when I want. And then just, yeah. Well, yeah, that would be 500 to 600 per trade on like on the 50Ks, but on the 150Ks, the average gains will be like 1,600, 1,100, anywhere from there. I mean, that's what I've been doing in FX replay. Like, what's my average winner? Does it tell me? I wonder. Bro, what's my average winner? I don't know if it tells me that here. Oh shit, Aaron, the $5 holla. Wait, read what out loud? Read that out loud. Guy walks into a bar, asks a girl what's her name. She says Lana, but you might have a better time remembering it backwards. That's wild. That's crazy. That's crazy. If a woman ever said that to me, I'm getting up and I'm walking away. As fast as humanly possible, but as nonchalantly as human possible. I would not be down. Bonkzilla says, I'm lost. It's okay, brother. It's okay. I wish I was lost in this conversation. I'm just joking. I think we found something Jordy doesn't like. Like... Yeah, not my cup of tea. You better be fucking Kylie Jenner or some shit to do that. You better be absolutely pristine. Dude, I don't know, CR. I don't know. Ran over 5,000% in 2 days last week. Yeah, that's a reasonable move. It's gnarly. I'm gonna do some more back testing. Should we do that? Or we can look at some tickers first for the week. Although, I mean, I'm not really trading any options, but I'll take a look at stuff. Obviously, I'm watching Tesla. Tesla right now in an interesting spot. We've kind of ran through these gaps that we just made. Definitely took these highs, and we've had a change in the state there. I anticipate... Oh, what are we... We're no longer holding that. We actually got to close below that. And we ran through that, which is not great. But the price action is not nasty through it. So I don't mind that. Honestly, I would love to see a retest of the NFP high. I wouldn't mind that. Or at least previous... What is this? Where's previous week high? That would be this, but this week. Ooh, that would seem scary on the intraday charts, but on the weekly chart, a dip down to here would be fine. I don't know. I like this area in between the NFP levels. I would like to see Tesla come into that. That would also be, I mean, what all-time highs are where? Fucking right here. So technically we would lose all-time highs, but I'm fine with that as long as we're holding the NFP levels. We need to see a retest of all-time highs, in my opinion, at least. I just don't trade or am very interested in stocks that are really doing that for the most part. Because chances are they're not going to continue to trade like that. Doesn't mean you can't trade them and catch an opportunity there. It's just like not my style of trading. I mean, I can bring up the chart if you really want me to. But I definitely care about Tesla 1,000 times more than Nucleus. But I mean, yeah, this ticker, what it ran, you said 5,000% in these 2 days. I mean, yeah, that's stupid. Basically, almost. It's a stupid move. Some crazy catalyst, I'm sure. Yeah, if you were early into that move, you made a ton of money, but, you know, there's going to be a lot of people that, you know, bought in around this $60 that are holding a bit of a bag right now. And to me, it's a whole lot of FOMO. I mean, if you're trying to buy something that's up fucking, it's still, even on the dip, it's up 2,000%. Like, you know, it's dope. It's really cool that it ran like that. The chances of really anybody catching that, unless you have just bought this over and over in the past and have held it forever, you know, and you wake up and it's ripping, like, there's not much opportunity to catch something like this unless you got news on it, you were on it early that day, and you ride it out for the impulsive move. But I'm definitely not trying to buy something up that's fucking 2,000%, you know. Isn't in the back of your mind, ask yourself, how could I get in that move before it happened? No, because that's not my system of making money. I have a whole system, and it's not part of it. And I could care less. Genuinely. It's very difficult to find moves like that and actually be on it and actually be there and everything falling right and you have enough money into it for you to actually make a ton of money. You know what I mean? Like, there has to be so many things that fall in line, because you're not just going to find one name after the other and be able to just find returns like that over and over. Like, there's going to be names that don't do what you do, that go to fucking zero, especially because these names I mean, yeah, it's $40 now, but what was it when it was traded? Dude, it was like under a fucking dollar. It was this, you know what I mean? It's nothing, you know? So that's where it's like, okay, you're going to take a shot on all these tickers. It's like, okay, that means you can't just put a bunch of money into one of them. You have to diversify yourself. Same thing. It's literally, I look at trading these types of tickers the same and trying to find these moves the same as trading meme coins. It's very similar in my opinion. It's like, okay, if you want to do it, you can. But it's like, you got to do. Honestly, meme coins are better because meme coins you don't got to do a ton of research on, to be honest. It's just like you figure out where the hype's at, buy the hype, diversify, sit back, hope, and pray. With this shit, it's like you got to do research on the company. You got to find catalysts. You got to do all this shit. And then you got to diversify and find multiple companies because guess what? Most of them are probably going to not do what you want. And if not, go bankrupt or go to zero. And it's just like, I don't know. To me, it's not a very enticing way of trading or style of trading, in my opinion. And so it's just not something I'm going to try and chase. When I know I can come into futures, trade and do well, I know I can. I've traded options for years now. I have a whole system there. I just don't see a reason for me to do that. But it doesn't mean you can't, right? Like, just because I don't doesn't mean you can't. Like, if you're like, damn, I want to figure that out, and I want to maybe take a shot and see where this goes, like, you absolutely can. I'm not saying don't. But it's just not me, personally. Again, doesn't mean it's bad. Just, not my style. I used to kind of think like that, though. I used to see tickers move like that and be like, dude, how does one catch that? And to be honest, it's either you've been in the company forever and you've been holding it and you fucking woke up and there's a massive catalyst coming and it fucking you're up a lot. Or you got tipped off some sort of way, or like intraday, you were on the news early and you bought the news. You bought the hype, you know, and rode it out. Jordy's the king of Tesla. We'll get there. Not yet. But we're doing pretty damn good with Tessie. Oh yeah, I used to look at like all the top gainers and stuff every day. It's just there always some, yeah, like that's exactly what it is. Like there are always some small cap tickers, and that's where it's just like, for me, I just don't like it. I hate small caps like that for the most part. I don't want to be trading them. It's just not my cup of tea. But again, doesn't mean it's a bad opportunity. It doesn't mean you can't. This hasn't been my cup of tea in the past. Ciara, have you been back testing? Curious. Good night, boys. See you all tomorrow. Aaron, see you in the morning, baby. Get some sleep. Yeah, I'm going to try and not be up too late either. Yes, sir. The holiday season, baby. Wait, here. Let me hide the curls for a minute and throw on the Santa hat. 'Cause damn right, motherfucker. It is almost Christmas time. I actually can't wait. Surely just because I'm getting... Like, it's going to be a great time with the fam. We're going to eat some great food. And then I'm also just getting this fucking amazing chair because my back has been wrecked streaming every day, to be completely honest with you. So I'm stoked about that. What kind of chair? I forget what it's called. It's like a gaming chair, though. Hold on. Let me try and find it. I don't even know if I can find it. Where are you? Damn. Looks like mine got a... Or no, you can still buy it. This is it. That's it. So that'll be nice. Oh, it is sold out though. Or like that specific one at least. I've been sick as a dog, only left the house once in the past week. Looking forward to feeling better by Christmas. Yeah, man, I hope you feel better. Hate being sick, especially near the holidays. I could do a little analysis. What day is it here? Wednesday. Ooh. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We took all the lows. We took all the lows. Time to go to buy-side liquidity? Probably. I would anticipate so. I think so, brother. Oh, so that's fucking 200 points away. Ha 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 ha. What time is it? Oh, I forgot. I asked you how you were back testing CR. I'm still familiarizing myself with ICD. Don't fully get it. Speaking of shit show for me with Orca stuff. Got you. Yeah, no worries, brother. I basically binge watched his videos for like 4 or 5 days and got confident enough to where I was like, okay, I can start back testing with this. But then since then, like, I've just kept watching those same videos as well. So, and then every time you watch them, you understand it like more and more, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? Especially like I just like the way Justin teaches it. He's great. He has a new video I haven't watched yet, but dude, yeah, I've seen a lot of people get sick too. I haven't been sick in a fat minute. Even when, you remember when I went out to see fucking Lily and she was sicker than a dog, bro, and I stayed with her, I didn't even get sick through that. I think I might just be built different, bro. I might just be built different, to be honest. But we'll see. I don't want to jinx myself. Paulito, good evening. Yeah, I think you just jinxed yourself. Nah, bro. It's all mindset. Jordan Immortal. Dude, it's all mindset. All mindset. What time? Okay. Take me to 5:30 in the morning, please. 5:30. Ooh, nice droppy. God damn. Ooh, where are we at? What gap is that? What gap is that, sir? It's a nice gap you have there, sir. What? 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 Sure, it's quite a large gap you have. All right. Oh, now we're losing Wednesday's lows. God damn. Fuck is this? How's your mind gonna protect you from catching a fever? Because I'm just G like that. You know? Just G like that. And God's on my side, bro. So, it's a win. Like, it's automatic W. Like, automatic W. And Santa's coming this year? Dude. So free. That's so free. Automatic dub. Like, so, like, that's my answer to that. Know what else to tell you. Know what else to tell you. What are we doing? Okay, 6:18. Where the fuck are we? Big 15-minute gap. Big gap-rooski. Big gap-rooski. Topped. Hmm. 15-minute SMT. Wonder if we hold that when we dip back into there. If we dip back into there. This kind of looks like a potentially G long into open. Right into 630 there, damn. Market opens. Holy shit. You know who else joined a gym this week? Zero. Oh, no way. Let's go. That's what I like to hear. Fuck yeah. Good shit, baby. Good shit. Good shit. Hey, fucker. What the fuck? No. What did I just do to my positions? What did I just do? No. Where can I... What did I just click? No. Uh-oh. I don't know where my buy button is anymore. That's a problem. That is a bit of a issue here, brother. I don't know what I just did there, but it fucked it all up. Wonder if I can just, like, undo that shit. What the fuck? What is all this? Bro, I'm mad confused now. That actually kind of just pissed me off, because now I'm going to lose my space here if I can't fix this. No. Dudes. What the fuck did I do? No. Dudes. Alright, we're just gonna... Just gonna fucking refresh and just fucking all right. And good to go. Let's go. Fixed it. Fuck yeah. I was worried it was not gonna be fixed. Oh, what is all this bullshit though? None of that's fixed. It's all right. I can get past that. I can get past that. Damn. This shit just straight ripping right at open. Ran through that shit. Ran through that shit hard. Now it's gonna tap back in that. Would you do that for me, sexy? Nope. She's not. Oh, Jesus. Damn, that looks nice. I'm gonna get into the rhythm of shit. Yeah, man. Yeah, start slow. You don't need to go crazy right away. Start slow. You know, start getting some fucking creatine in your system. Start getting a diet right. Lifting the weights. Ooh. Ooh, tapped in, tapped in. That's a tap in. Problem is risk is extremely high there. Hey, yo. Yes, I will. Give me them Luxalgo points, baby. Got it, motherfucker. Got it. Santa's coming. How much you weighing right now? Ooh, I don't know the specific answer to that question, to be honest. I haven't weighed myself in a minute, but if I had to guess, probably 138, 135. Because I dropped back down to like 120, 125. With a wet pair of jeans on, you already know it. Yep. Yep, yep. Yep, yep. You know it, Paulito. Let's do... Well, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. So that's where risk is big on this trade, so size down. Oh, that's so much better. Jesus Christ. I was wondering why everything was so small. All right. This is a risky ass trade here. But I want to see if this works out. It's actually, that's not even bad. That's like normal risk. What do I mean? It's fucking normal. All right. Now, I'm going to make sure. Because we had, where's that marked? I'm going to do, I just got these new lights for the tiki. Let's go. My midnight jasmines are blooming. Let's go, baby. Okay. That's cool. What's the... Damn, we could go retest London highs and no problem if we need to. I've already hit that. I'm definitely looking higher. How far is buy side on the daily? Too much, so I'm gonna mark. Whoa, that's fast. It's really fast. Why is it so fast? That's fine. I'll take half off. This is a smaller trade than it would normally be, but it's Asia high. Now we're in here. I'd like to see buy side liquidity up here though, which would be 113. So that's a beautiful trade right there. You could take, we'll just do that into the top of standard deviation. And then you let the rest ride, break even, stop. And or we hit previous day buy side liquidity. Looks like you can get stopped at break even, stop. 100% of the position gone. It's an extra, well, that was another like $1,000 on top of there. And that's into the end of the day too, so that would be a wrap for that day. How are we feeling about the week? Any volatility? I mean, VIX is back under 20, but it's over fucking 15, so I'm happy about that. We'll still see some nice trades, hopefully. Even though it is, although, like, volume's probably going to be low. But, I mean, we also saw Thanksgiving, right, guys? And that was a perfect representation of just show up and see what the market has to offer. Because the 2 days that everybody thought, that everybody said were going to be the worst trading days were actually the best. The day before Thanksgiving and the day after. They were the best fucking trading days of the whole week. Everybody said they'd be ass. Right? Like, could we see something similar into Christmas? Maybe. I don't know. Like, we'll see. But I definitely wouldn't count it off the table. You know, I wouldn't throw it off the table. Taking this hat off. My hair's probably so fucked, but it's okay. It's okay. Oh. Santa's retiring. I think it's gonna be decent, yeah. What does this look like on the daily now at the end of the day here? Looking fantastical. I saw Santa today. It came on a fire truck. Let's go. Let's go. That was nice. This whole week, it's been like a downside week. So going into Friday, gotta expect this to be a crazy Friday going into this next day on FX replay here. Let's see though. Oh, crazy overnight action so far. Oh. All right, where the fuck we at? Hourly. Oh, jeez. Wow, we're trying to go take sell side again, but sell side's now here. Dude, how do I get rid of these? Oh my god. It's gonna drive me fucking nuts. Whatever. Ignore it, Jordan. Just ignore it. Yeah, CR, like I said, man, gain confidence with the back testing. And then you don't need to worry about like, oh, I'm gonna fuck up trading my fundeds or this and that. You don't have to worry about it. Like, if you just gain confidence with FX replay, you'll have no problem doing it in your other account. Dude, should we hop in? Why are we not in Discord? Hop in if you want, motherfuckers. I can't hop in right now, Jordy. No worries, you're good. Well, if anybody wants to, feel free. We can chat. Paulito, any of the boys. Okay. What time is it? It's almost 6. Hourly gap. We're trading back in the daily. Gap. Paul's coming. Okay. Let me turn off my music then. Or let me turn it down. Actually, no, I can't do that. Okay, we're just gonna not run music and chat with the dogs, but I'll just keep playing it till they show up. Okay. Where am I, dude? Where am I, brother? You're in Wonderland. You're in Wonderland, lady. Okay. Took lows, took lows, took lows. Held lows. Held lows. Interesting. Holding bullish. Wait, bro, what fucking time is it? Why is it? Oh my god, it's glitching. FX Replay does that sometimes, so I'm like freaking out. Okay. We're gonna get a change in the state. Already so fast? Sheesh. Wait for me. Market opens. That was a nasty test into that. Paulito.
Hey,
What's good, baby?
how are you again?
Posted, chilling. Okay. Wait, can I share my screen here too? G'd up, front of feet up. What you know about it? Paul, what swings you got right now? I know you got some swings right now. What are you on?
Yeah, not much really. I'm gonna do some charting right now and see what I can find. Um, yeah, not a whole lot. No new positions really all last week. Short-term puts here and there. I got
Oh,
some early starters on IWM and some early starters in DIA.
okay.
And see what the market does. I'm not sure that this little pullback is done.
Yeah, me neither.
I don't want to go too crazy with calls yet. So I do have some Q and some SPY puts short term
Okay.
to see if I can use. I'd like to use those, see if I can buy some more long dated calls with it, but we'll see what happens.
Damn, this looks fucking nice. But mm, I'm gonna try something spicy. Well, not really. It's not that spicy, but
Or are you still back testing the same strategy?
yep, just same thing over and over.
Yeah, nice.
Now, I anticipate that that was manipulation leg. Just go like, whoa. Take me to the moon. All right, we'll drag that up there, but need to set some earlier targets. like internal buy side liquidity, which is going to be that. Love how that lines up. Where's the overnight highs? Ooh. Pretty close to where we're already at, so that's the risky part about this. God, that's just not enough points to trim, so I won't be able to trim at those highs, really. No, I would have gotten stopped anyway. Makes sense. Do you do this at all, Paul?
No, I don't personally.
I love it. Just fucking
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna have to check it out.
kind of eliminates market experience, to be honest.
Yeah,
With you.
yeah.
Like,
The need to, well, yeah, because it puts your market experience in fast forward.
yeah, dude, I can fucking yeah, literally, like,
yeah,
it's ridiculous. What'd you eat in your day today? Gosh, what did I eat? Woke up, had some eggs, didn't have any bacon or anything because I didn't have any here, so I freaking just ate that. Went to the gym, hit the gym, went to the store, got more eggs, bacon, lots of butter. Came back, made like 6 eggs, bunch of bacon, wrecked that. And then I'm gonna make something here in a little bit, but that's it. Kind of a light eating day, to be honest. But yeah, kind of the same thing. Want to have a steak though. It's been kind of a minute since I've had a steak, so I'd like to have a steak. That's quite beautiful. Ooh, not gonna lie, my screen's getting glitchy, so I'm gonna stop it on Discord. Shit's wild. Blows. My computer. Are we still at these lows on the daily? Holy shit, what do they want to trade to here? We're like right in the middle of both sides on the daily. Damn, now I'm hungry. Thinking about food.
the
You know what's
progress
funny?
I had tonight
You know what's
was
funny though?
so
Like
good.
eating like eggs and like meat all the time. It's just like you can eat a lot less of it and be so full. Like maybe in the moment you don't feel very full, but you wait like 20 minutes and you're like, damn, I'm not hungry.
Yeah, the proteins
Yeah, it just fills you up.
makes you feel satiated.
And that's funny. Like I eat like a bunch of carbs and I get super full. But then like 30 minutes go by and it's like I'm hungry as fuck again. It's like gone. You
Like,
know what I
why
mean?
am I in the fridge again?
Yeah, literally, bro. It's so funny how that works.
Yeah.
I have been having a little carbs though. Oh my god, the pump in the gym is ridiculous at the moment.
Oh,
Like when I go, it's just so ridiculous because I haven't been having them like heavily, and I still, even when I do have them, it's like I'll have some rice, or like I like to just like snack on some bread. Honestly, bread and like olive oil, love that shit. Some salt. Yeah, after
yeah, you
having
know
no
what's crazy?
carbs.
Good bread. I saw this post on history.
Uh huh.
Bread back in the day was like where people got their calories. It's where they got their nutrients. Bread was really good for you back in the day.
Oh yeah. Oh
You
yeah,
know,
dude. That's what Jesus ate all the time, making
right?
me
It's
feel more
crazy
hungry, or I guess the drop out.
how like down it's looked upon
Yeah.
nowadays.
Well, a lot of bread nowadays is just it's not made how it used to be too.
No, it's
That's why it's so
terrible.
bad.
Yeah, good bread though. That's why good bread is so good.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, what a nasty range there.
Mm.
It's a Friday, right? Yeah, it's still a Friday. Okay. Show Jordy those homemade bread pics. Paul, you got homemade bread pics? You got bread porn? Dude, Paul's got bread porn.
Yeah, my wife's into making bread. Sourdough, dinner rolls.
Oh, that's so bomb,
Hum-
dude. It's actually so bomb.
Yeah. I mean, really though, my wife should start a bakery. That's what she should do.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of like diamonds.
Are they looking good? What's MNQ doing
Yeah,
right
like it, the volume profile on diamonds is just so good.
now? Well, we got some interesting data just from last week. I mean, last week's range 50%
Yeah,
retracement, the retracement from the day's range on Friday. We
I
might
guess that
actually have enough data to go off of on Monday to potentially get a nice trade. But again, if it's not clear, it's not clear, and I won't be trading. Oh, fuck. Shit.
that could be a back test of the trend line break though. We will have to watch that.
How do you size starters slash add to positions? I've been starting with one MNQ and then add one. I personally don't trade like that, to be honest. I'll take. It depends on the risk on the trade. So like a normal risk for me on a trade would be like on a 50K account would be like 5 cons risking anywhere like from like 50 points or less. Any more than 50 points I start to see, okay, I might want to shave off a contract and limit my risk more, right? Maybe trade 4, maybe trade 3. And if I want to take the position, that's okay, and I'm okay with taking a bigger risk, letting it go more. But since I'm taking bigger risk on the chart, I want to shave off a few contracts and not take as much dollar risk, if that makes sense. So that's what I do. It's always full position, personally. I don't I don't really like scale into. Now, sometimes, well, it depends. Sometimes if it's like, okay, if there's a position where I'm like, okay, this looks good. I'm not seeing maybe everything I need to see, but I really like the way this looks. So I want to maybe take a starter early, right? I don't want to take a full position because I don't have all the confirmation I need. So that's when I will take a starter. And if I'm like on a 50K account, I'm generally trading 5 contracts, which means my starter position is 2. And then once I get more confirmation, I'll add 3. What does that mean? That means there's no way I'm adding to a loser. No such thing as adding to losers for my personal system. Doesn't mean you can't, but for me, there's no adding to losers. It doesn't happen. It won't ever happen. It just doesn't happen. It's like because you have to see more confirmation to add. If you're taking a starter, it's because you don't have everything you need to see yet, but you want to get in a little early. So now you need to see everything that your system is supposed to be telling you for you to take a trade before taking one, which means you're going to be farther in profit versus red on the trade, which means you're going to be adding to a winner versus adding to losers. So that's just my personal way of doing it when I do it. But most of the time, it's full position. 50K account, 5 contracts. 150K account, it's going to be like 15 contracts. And yeah, full position at once. God, this is a very boring Friday so far. What the fuck? On this day. But it might change. Bitch. Bitch. Okay. Uh-oh, you motherfucker. Refresh. All right. Yeah, Emp definitely trades like differently. Um so his answer might be completely different, but definitely like yeah, get his thoughts too. That's really all I can get out of this. side. Yep. See if FAFO Friday FAFOs or not. What a slow FAFO Friday, jeez. Trying. What's this about? Oh, that's the daily, isn't it? Wait, is that the daily? No, that's the hourly one I just marked. We hit that. I anticipate we can break that. So that as well. Oh wow, this is like the end of the day. Well, boring Friday there. I would have to be all out at the close. Monday. Still in line. God, I want to see it go. Now I want to see us go take these range lows. Boom, market opens. Whoa. Ooh. Sneaky, sneaky. No high time frame manipulation here, but you do have it on ES. Sneaky, sneaky. And then you see that candle at open. That's very fucking bullish. Yup. Yup. Holy shiza. No, I only need to risk that imbalance. So I could do 40. Curious to see where this goes. Wait, am I on a 5? Yeah. Now, back to this. Oh. overnight, all that shit. Okay. We're over all that shit. Nope, not on that one. Early of an entry. Is this Monday? It is Monday. Ooh. Not as I thought. Not as I thought. I think NQ gaps up nice overnight. How's she looking right now? Yeah, I mean, maybe 728.
Pretty flat.
What's up?
Flat, NQ, flat.
Yeah. I just think it's going to be pretty damn flat.
Yeah.
They're going to be interesting this week. Again, I likely won't trade tomorrow. If I see something I like based off the data from Friday and last week, maybe I take something, but generally Mondays are just not the move. So,
Isn't that what you said? Was that Thursday going into Friday? Friday something you said you were probably not going to trade. Turns out you hit a big one.
yeah. That's also what can happen. It's like I came into last week, I came into Tuesday thinking I wasn't going to take a single trade and
Right.
ended up hitting like fucking 120 point trade, 70 point like first trim. It was like, so just all based on what I see. Damn, this shit's getting murdered this Monday. Can we go here? I would love that. We should go there. We should do that. That would be nice. Don't just take internal sell side. Take the big sell side. They take
How far
internal.
back do you go, Jody, when you run that FX replay? How far back in time are you?
I do a bunch of different years and times. This one is this is April 2023. But I'll do 2020. I'll do fucking way before that. More recently, just test it out everywhere.
You ever think about doing like same time frame just a year ago?
Wait, what's that? Sorry.
Like do same time frame just a year ago. So like do the Monday, Tuesday, or like the Tuesday, Wednesday before Christmas last year
That's smart.
to see
I
if it has
haven't
the
done
same
that yet,
feel.
but
Yeah,
I'll set up a session and maybe we run through that.
or like January, like start getting ready for January. Like what was the January like when Trump first took office?
Ooh, yeah. I haven't gone back and back tested like specific events like that. That's a great
It'd
idea
be,
though.
it'd be
I
interesting
like
to
that.
see. I'd be interested to see if it gives you like the same feel.
Yeah.
Like if it could feel the same.
Well, price action is price action. It's all pretty much very much the same. Even the difference is how much we actually move the volatility. That's the difference. So like, I mean, candlesticks themselves, like the way the market moved is the same. But like this doesn't work any better today than it did fucking 5-10 years ago. It's the same. It's just nowadays we have more volatility. I can catch 100 points in one day. in 1 hour. You know what I mean? Like that's where we didn't have as much volatility. And that's where it's harder. That's why like trading, I mostly trade when I back test here. I mostly trade from 2020 till because that's like when I started, and that's where all the volatility has really been is since 2020. That's when retail investors really started fucking coming in, Robinhood, all that shit. But that's when
Gotcha.
I started. You know what I mean? It's when Spaces
Right.
and all that. Like, I mean, Spaces didn't start, but like I was doing it in Discord. You know what I mean? Like we are right now, basically. It's fucking. It all started then. That's when everything was super hot in the beginning, and that's when all the volatility really came in. But again, like it's just a matter of points. It's like and there's times even like I've gone back to like in 2020, early 2020, this 2023, I think it was this year that I'm on. Earlier in the year, there was like super low volatility, so like we had the same setups, but like my take profits were my like biggest take profit was like 60, 70 points, which is great, but like that was like my end take profit. Whereas, you've seen the ones I've taken tonight, like stop losses are around 40 to 60 points, where in like winners are fucking 70 to 100 points. Like that one we caught earlier was like 120 points or something. I don't even know. But
What are you guys doing with StockTwits this week?
so we're doing Monday show. We're doing Tuesday show. No show Wednesday. I
And
don't.
then right back Thursday, Friday?
I don't think we're doing a show Friday. Maybe Thursday. I don't. Or maybe both off. I'm not sure. I forgot, to be honest.
Yeah, I'm interested. I'm interested to see who's around with it. What space is doing? Everybody's in.
Yeah. This looks spicy. Jesus. Why can't we just go to Excel side? I mean, we did technically, but internal. Spicy. Spicy. Damn. Oh, it's gonna go see that high if it keeps holding imbalances.
Mhm.
Monday? Yeah, still Monday. How long have I been live? Almost 2 hours. Ooh. Okay. So, have we already taken? Wait, 96725. 96750. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Dude, what's going on outside? Ooh. Go to it, go. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's he at now? Oh, baby. A triple. And take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Wow, that's actually crazy. Don't know for sure if it was taken because this line is not perfectly straight, so I need to do this. Fuck that. Need me a heftier line. 925.25. We. Ooh. God, we bounced right off that. Dirty Fox. Boom, takes it. There we go. South side gets taken. Let's see how far they take it. Now, let's see. Changing the state. It's back in that daily gap. That is a large gap you have there, sir. Runs through that. Starting to look spicy. What are those lows we took? What are y'all talking about in chat right now?
Yeah, we're talking about dogs.
Oh.
High energy dogs. Have you ever met a German short haired pointer?
Maybe I'd have to see a picture to be honest.
They're a really, really cool dog, but they are super high energy.
Oh, are they? Yeah, you gotta be.
Yeah, and
You gotta
you
be
need
creative
yard,
with
you
them.
need land, form, run. You
Yeah.
gotta like really work with them. I have a Brittany, which is like one step down from a German short hair. Very high energy
Okay.
sporting dog.
Oh, this looks like it wants to just fade all day. Bottom of the gap. Is that a daily one I marked? Damn. Holding on for dear life at the bottom of it. It ain't gonna be enough, is it? Oh, hello. Oh, that's right into the close too. Look at that. That's fucking dirty. I don't even remember what happened after this day, April 2023. Don't tell me. I don't want to know. I'll fucking trade it, but wild. That was a wild. What day was that? Tuesday? It's a fucking nasty day. Oh, I need to get a fucking. What time is it? 7 o'clock. I need to make food. This fucking doing nothing. Nothing. Well, do you guys see this? Oh shit, dude. 1,108 days I've been with TradingView. And it's been longer because I had an account before the one I use every day. So it's low key been a little bit longer, but not by much. That's fucking crazy, bro. 1,108 days. And there's only 258, 252 trading days in the year. It's not like there's 365 either. That's what makes that even funnier. Shit.
I go back and forth. I used to be a big fan of TradingView, but I just like charting in TOS.
Yeah, I feel you. I thought that stat was crazy though.
I did not know the paper had mentioned the memory leak, and then I looked into it, and I did not realize though that that was a thing.
Wait, what memory leak are you talking about?
It's like if because it holds all of like previous lines on your chart, and it's an application on the computer, it can cause it to like run slower and crash.
Ooh, interesting.
Yeah. So I'm
Maybe
just
that's
like
why my
more
shit sucks
confident.
sometimes.
Yeah, I'm just more confident just now about like clearing old drawings.
Yeah. Damn. Need more water. Need more water. Well, I'm ready for the morning. I'm gonna get some sleep tonight. I'm gonna go make some fucking bacon snack on. Yeah. Maybe we get some trades tomorrow. Maybe not. Either way, we're gonna have a fun morning. Start the week off. Dude, it's Christmas week. It's Christmas week. We gotta have a good time.
It'll be fun regardless.
Fucking veins are popping, baby. I did some forearms today. I did some fucking forearms today, motherfucker. I wanna be all like, oh, it's not there yet, but it'll get crazier and crazier.
You need to go make yourself a sandwich. Is what you need.
Yeah, I know.
Some mayo.
I know. Some mayo. Fuck it, Paul. All right. Well, I'm gonna hop off, but I'll talk to everybody early in the morning. I'm gonna go make some food, but don't get caught up in the futures tonight. Fucking, it's not gonna be anything special, I don't think. So don't get caught up in that. Looks like my stream is like low key rugging right now. I don't know why, but it's okay because we're hopping off. Shout out to everybody that came through tonight. We'll see you in the morning. Have a good night. Get some rest. And we'll be up bright and early. We're doing the daily rip with Shy tomorrow and then Tuesday. And then obviously market's closed on Christmas. But I'll be back live after the daily rip on here, like 7:10. I don't know. Right after I hop off there, which is we ended at 7 o'clock my time, I hop on here as soon as possible. So we'll be on there right after that. What do you say about TOS? He just said he likes to chart on TOS better than TradingView. That's all he said. Paul was saying. All right, y'all. Love y'all. See you in the morning. Paul, love you, brother. I will see you bright and early. Peace out. Lele. Love y'all. Peace.